Hi, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about updating from item information back to CAD data, and this is going to create a new file version when you synchronize with design projects. So first we'll be configuring this in your integration with CAD. So in this case with SolidWorks, we can go into advanced property settings and create a new update properties mapping. You can call it any name. And here you can configure which properties you are going to update from OpenBOM items back to CAD data. So in this case, just going to select description and save. I'm going to save this configuration. And if I, right now, if I update data in OpenBOM directly, so if I go into this item information, let's focus on this frame over here. So the bike frame. We are going to do an update on the latest bill of material. We're going to just call it something different. For example, I'm going to change it to a back frame. So we change the item description. And back from SolidWorks, notice that this property is still bike frame. So after we have configured that, and if we click on the Update CAD Properties button, this is going to save back to CAD. So we can create properties if they don't exist. In this case, the description exists. We can click on Save Properties to CAD. It's a bit of a confirmation that this field, this property is going to be updated. And there we go. We have the updated description from item information back to CAD data. And if I synchronize this back to using OpenBOM Design Projects, this is going to create a new file version directly from CAD. So we can do that. So save those changes and synchronize those into this created a new update. So if I open this back into OpenBOM Design, you can see that this file has a new file version that was saved to the changes uploaded. So as you can see, file version 2, and we are basically working at this end where we updated CAD properties from the item. This created a new file version in OpenBOM Design Projects. Thank you. See you on the next video.